Amazon Simple Email Services allows us to configure a relay for sending and receiving emails. First, we need to define the identity details, and to do this, we select Identity Type Domain, and then input the name of your DNS domain. Once the identity is created, the domain will change to verification pending until we create the necessary DNS records in the resolver of our DNS domain. We can obtain the CNAME alias records from this page. Usually there will be 3 CNAME records that we must add into our public DNS resolver. For this guide we use Route 53, but almost all other DNS providers present an interface similar, for which we can create records, choose the name of the record, the type and the value. In this example, we create 3 CNAME records, 1 for the domain verification and 2 for the DKIM verification. We need to allow some time for propagation of the DNS records. If we click on the domain, we can confirm the DKIM configuration is successfully applied. For creating the credentials, we must now navigate to the account dashboard and scroll down until we see the Create SMTP Credentials button. Click on the button and provide a name to the IAM user to be created. Once created, we will be able to retrieve the SMTP credentials. We can also download the credentials in a CSV file. Finally, we now need to add the SMTP settings to the WorkSpaces Manager appliance. Select Options, Settings, and provide the following information: SMTP server, port, user, password, and the default email address. Please remember to save the changes first, and then to test the SMTP endpoint is correctly configured by clicking on the lightning bolt icon.